other day, like, I got paid a lot of money just to make content, y'all. What's good, y'all? It's Yorkcast Speaks, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, y'all, I know y'all want to make $100,000 in a year or something like that, but I'm gonna tell y'all like this, man. You might not make $100,000 a year, but you will make some passive income dealing with YouTube, y'all. I've been on YouTube for about, 3 years now. I have made a shit ton of money. I have taught at least 7 people how to make over $100,000, and I do own a couple of no-face channels, y'all. But today's video, I'm about to basically give y'all a rundown and basically like a story of how I came this far and basically how I made my money on YouTube. I know I don't want to give y'all everything y'all need in this video, but I am going to give y'all a portion of what y'all need, because I don't want you guys to be basically overthinking, and I want y'all to like get y'all notebooks and everything. So the first thing y'all want to do is start out by finding a niche. Now, you can be in the sports niche. You can talk about sports. A lot of people like talking about sports. Let's see, gaming. Gaming is a big niche right now. So you can talk about gaming. A lot of people do gaming content. That's basically one of the best niches out here. And also you can do the third niche right here. Now the third niche I'm gonna talk about is technology. Now this is a big niche for a lot of people. A lot of people want to get into technology and stuff like that. So these is like three big niche. Or you could do celebrity topics. Basically, that's the channel I run right now, is a celebrity channel, and that channel is generating a ton of money, y'all. I mean, a ton of money right now. So if y'all want to copy me, make sure y'all go to my channel and check out how I end up blowing up off that channel. Now, either you can do reaction videos, or you can do, or make your own commentary on basically the celebrities and the drama that's going on in hip hop and stuff. So it's a lot of different niches that you can go down. You also can do vlogging or whatever. As far as YouTube and how much money you would get, it depends on something called the CPM. Okay. So you can make a lot of money, you know, from just having a good CPM, you feel me? You can get up to like $10. Some people get up to $20 per 1,000 views, y'all. This is where the good money come in at, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Now I have generated enough money where I can basically say I'm good, you feel me? Especially off the no face channels, not so much the reaction channel, but I am making some passive income. Now this passive income, you feel me, can pay a couple bills or so, you feel me, maybe your phone bill, or it can pay the water bill. I know a lot of y'all are grinding for that passive income, and eventually you will be able to take it to the next level, so you can, you feel me, pay for your rent and pay for everything else you need to pay for your car note, maybe, you feel me? So, you know, this is why I got the whiteboard here for y'all, because I wanted to basically show y'all how my journey started off, man. But a lot of people don't understand that making money is a mindset, y'all. So you feel me, y'all gotta really get locked in, y'all. I know y'all subscribers for a reason. Pump up the volume, hit that like button, y'all subscribers for a reason. And starting this journey, it could be kind of tiring. It can make you want to quit, you feel me? You might want to just give up, okay? You know, once you start, you might give up. But I'm gonna give you something that really kept me going during this journey, y'all. After this video, I want y'all to make your first video. Get on YouTube, post your first video. You feel me? You're gonna feel good. You're gonna be like, okay, I just uploaded my first video. I'm doing good. Okay. But on a serious note, what you wanna do is, I want you to post 100 videos within a month, okay? Not even a month, within 2 months, 100 videos, okay? 50 videos a month, okay? That's like how many videos a day? That's like what, 4 or 5 videos a day. Once you do that, once you get your first 100 uploads, I want y'all to look through your videos and be like, what can I really improve in this video that I didn't do before, okay? That's what you guys are gonna have to do, because if y'all don't really look into your videos and your video analytics, which I'm gonna talk about a little bit later about analytics, because that's a hot mess, and it can really cause, analytics really can cause you to spiral, like go crazy, like just your head will be feeling like this, and y'all probably haven't experienced that yet, but that definitely can happen, okay? So, but enough about analytics. What I want to tell y'all is to make sure y'all post them 100 videos and improve every video. You feel me? Every video, or go back through them 100 videos and basically see what you can improve on. Okay. So, like I said, money is a mindset. Whatever content you're doing, you make sure you study up on the content that you do. You know, some people can do impromptu, and some people can't. So a lot of people gotta work hard in order to make content. Like me, I gotta work hard. I gotta sit down, think about what I'm gonna do for the content. I just don't get up and make the content on the fly. You know, I take this serious. Now, I advise y'all to take the content serious too. I mean, like, you know, in the comment section below, what y'all want me to help y'all on. You feel me? I told y'all I was gonna get back on the grind and basically tell y'all in 2026 how we gonna take over the game, y'all. As always, it's Your Cash Speaks, and I'm out, deuces.